Previously on Why We Fight.
Elizabeth and Jurgen told me that fucking coffee maker would be here in 5 to 7 business days.
I told you, weekends don't count. It's been 4 days at the most.
Listen, lady. You may be fine with tea. I'm not. I despise tea. My ancestors, British colonial masters, were drinking tea while they toiled under a hot Australian sun in shackles.
You're a Jew. Second generation from Poland after the war.
That's right.
It uses pod styling.
The whole pod thing makes me uncomfortable. I keep having nightmares about some caffeinated alien just bursting out of my stomach and frothy alien milk going everywhere.
Ridiculous.
I think you need to see it. It'll ease the pain.
We can't look at it again.
I mean, really, it's like you care more about the fucking coffee maker than our wedding.
Probably shouldn't have told me about it then.
What?
What?
I will cut you. Now forget about the Nespresso and get back to work.
I think I'm gonna quit Facebook.
You say that at least 3 times a week.
Nah, I mean it this time. It's just shots of fuck babies now.
It's a better name for that site. Fug Babe. The same initials.
I mean, look at this.
Wow. Okay, so just so I'm clear, I'm allowed to be judgy and emotionally shut down about babies in this particular moment?
Yes. I'm just fucking sick of people inflicting their fugly babies on me 10 times a day.
See, this is fascinating. Not 2 days ago, you chastised me for not being enthusiastic about a baby on Facebook.
That was my niece.
Not feeling it. Shifty gaze on Skype. Tell her she's pretty and nothing.
She's 2.
Well.
Oh shit!
Victoria J. Mayer?
Myers.
Sorry. Sign here?
Thanks.
Have a good day.
We will. Love you.
Thanks.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Amazing. It's like witnessing the birth of a child.
Without the pain, the screaming, the blood, the excrement.
There's excrement?
Sometimes. So, which one should we try first?
You choose. I don't speak Italian.
Neither do I.
You're Austrian, that's close enough. Austrian, Italian, you both hated the Jews.
Not this Jew.
Whoa.
Alright, so how about Indria?
Where's it from?
India?
Nah, Indians drink tea. They know nothing of coffee. Besides, food handling and health standards might be an issue.
Okay. Rosas Bahia de Colombia.
Where's that from? What else you got?
What is wrong with Colombian coffee?
I'm not comfortable with it. Shady criminal justice system down there. Could be anything in that stuff. I know coffee's supposed to be a stimulant, but...
Alright. Oh, sweet and smooth intensity. Sounds lovely.
Sweetness is always welcome, and I do find intensity is best expressed when tempered with an appropriate degree of smoothness. Where's that from?
Brazil.
Arrogant soccer team.
Alright, that's it. Fucking coffee racist. You sit there and be quiet, and if you're lucky, I'll make you an Americano.
God bless you in this great country where a man is free to drink Brazilian coffee without fear of persecution.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'm talking about the coffee maker.
It's fine. This coffee maker's going to make us very happy.